Uncon. This is a tabletop gaming convention. Not a board game convention, tabletop gaming
we do have board
convention.
games.
We say
Board games, card games, tabletop games.
It's just that word board.
Games.
Games. I have very little experience with what I would call modern tabletop gaming. I have been playing the standards, the usual Scrabble, Monopoly, blah blah blah. But this stuff all looks totally different. I have no idea what to expect. I'm going to look around, I'm going to watch some people playing some games, maybe even join in myself if I get a chance to. And of course, promote the Geeketeers. For now, I'm going to discover an entirely new world.
Okay, so Sai, you have finished your first official game of the weekend. First question, why did you pick this one? Is it because it was nearest?
Because the lady felt really bad for me because I turned red and I was having a crazy hot flash moment. And she said, why don't you come sit down and play a game? And I said, yes, please.
Did it work? You do look less red.
I am.
You do look less red, so it works. So the nice lady, who also came to our rescue earlier with the banner.
Yes.
So I like her.
Yeah.
What is your name, kind stranger? Nice lady.
My name's Jenny.
Hello, Jenny. Jenny of Ominos.
From Yay Games.
From Yay Games. Yay!
Yes, and that's what I said a couple times too.
Did you actually? So you were prompted to say yay throughout the game.
Yes, you are.
And
I
so
wasn't prompted to, but I did.
you know, you felt the need to.
Yeah,
it just kind of happened.
It came from a genuine place.
So, what's the verdict? This is your first modern game, modern tabletop game, as you call
them.
them.
Simple-ish.
Ish.
All rules are complicated the first time you hear them.
Of course.
But yeah, the way she explains it is really good. And basically, it's like a dice game and like a chess game. It's like dice and chess.
So there's lots of tactics involved then.
Yes, well, I haven't learned any.
It says an ancient dice tactics game. So is this actually based on a real really old game, or is it?
It's 6,000 years old.
Oh wow! Okay.
These pieces were discovered by Andrew's great grandfather in the Ominous Valley in Egypt in 1860 something or other.
Nice.
And we've worked out how to play the game.
How long did it take to work out how to play? Like with the pieces that were found and everything?
Well, it's taken quite a while. So.
I imagine a few years.
Yeah.
It's like the Rosetta Stone. They haven't figured that one out yet.
Yes, I don't know. Andrew, have you got the photo?
Here we are.
Valley in Egypt. But you can't go there any longer because it's been buried under the Aswan Dam.
Wow.
So that's where it was found.
Yes.
So, what was the verdict with the game?
The verdict is, I want this game for a start. This is going to be a very
How much does it usually cost?
£20.
£20, there you are.
£25
You were saying earlier that one of the things that puts you off modern games is their cost. So what do you think of the £20 price tag?
I'm happy to pay £20 for a game that's going to keep me engaged as long as I think.
Would you play it with your family, friends?
Everybody, because it's easy to explain because you just said it to me right there. You know?
So you reckon you could explain it?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
After I get the simple 3-word instructions from the lady, yes.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. So the verdict appears to be by Ominos.
By Ominos, definitely is.
Because yay.
Because yay.
All right.
It's a 2 yay thumbs up from me.
Awesome. Thumbs up from Geeketeers Sai.
If I love too many things, it's going to be very expensive.
It is.
I'm a bag manager right now. Hey everybody, Geeketeers Sai here with my sort of post-mortem, I suppose you'd call it. I just got home from my first ever tabletop gaming con called Uncon, and I really enjoyed it. So yeah, I came home with a few games. I bought some from Bez and from Yay Games. So yay! It was a lot of fun. I got to interview some game producers, and I got to play some games that don't even exist yet. So it was a really fun time. And I would like to thank Alicia for giving me this my first sort of modern tabletop gaming experience. And I look forward to seeing the next one. Nice to finally got together with the Geeketeers at HQ and had a good old conversation and stuff. So, brilliant stuff, brilliant weekend, and I will be playing more board games. Definitely. Geeketeers sigh out. I geek, therefore I am.
We geek, therefore we are with the Geeketeers.